If you're in the music or entertainment industry or you know somebody therein, invite them. Let us all stick together as we all learn how to grow together.
The Christopher Odiley's Notebook on the More G's podcast.
Welcome to the Christopher Odiley's Notebook. This is the ultimate podcast on the More G's Radio International, where we are learning everything about the music business. If you would like to get mentored in music business, so sign up at moregs.com and join the More G's talent mentorship or music business mentorship program. My name is Christopher Odiley. I will be taking you on a journey into the music business world.